name is Latifah Hanum, and my friends.
My name is Ayam Ratila.
And the second,
my name is Vidya Hani.
And the last,
my name is Hairunisa. And my name is Latifah Zara Kalista.
Don't forget to watch my video, guys. See you. Video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Okay, I will take your attention today. First, Alia, attention please. Hairunisa, Hanum,
I'm here, miss.
Vidya,
I'm here, miss.
okay, thank you. Before start the lesson, I will ask some questions related to our material today. Now, what happens if you knock a balloon in your head?
In my opinion, when a balloon is rubbed against hair, it becomes electrically charged and can attract small objects like paper pieces. This is my opinion.
What about you, Vidya?
In my opinion, rubbing the balloon on hair shows how static electric work in everyday life, making a simple experiment to understand electric charge.
Nah, jadi intinya apa yang terjadi pada eksperimen ini, ketika kita memasukkan balon terhadap rambut, akan jadinya elektrik statis yang akan saling tarik menarik. Nah, selanjutnya itu ada electric change concept di mana terdapat dua tipe. Pertama itu positive change plus yang typically change by proton subatomic particle form with the atom nucleus. Yang kedua itu ada negative change di mana charge itu dari elektron subatom particle orbit outside the atom nucleus. Nah, jadi pada muatan listrik ini terdapat dua muatan. Yang pertama itu positif, yang dimana itu biasanya dibawa oleh proton partikel yang ditemukan di dalam inti nukleus, inti atom. Yang kedua itu ada muatan negatif, di mana itu dibawa oleh elektron sampai yang mengorbitkannya keluar inti atom. Selanjutnya, the interaction between electric change is governed by basic principle. Pertama itu muatan sejenis, yang dimana itu positif replace positif, and negatif replace negatif. Yang kedua itu unlike oxide change attracts the positive attract negatif. Dimana itu muatannya itu saling menolak, yang seperti balon yang terjadi pada eksperimen tadi. Contohnya itu kan balon sama rambut, itu positif menolak positif dan negatif menolak negatif. Dan muatan tidak sejenis yang saling berlawanan itu positif menarik negatif. Next itu kita masuk materi itu hukum Coulomb, di mana discovered by French physicist Charles Augustin de Coulomb 5,4 ton. Okay, can anyone explain the conclusion of the lesson? Raise your hand. Hermisa.
Thanks, Miss. In my opinion, conclusion about the topic on Ohm's law is striking a balance on here causes static electricity, which makes the balloon and the hair attract each other.
Thank you, Lisa. Good job. How about you, Alia? Conclusion of today's lesson?
My opinion on conclusion of the topic of conclusion of Coulomb law explain the electric force between two charged objects. It states that the magnitude of the electrostatic force is directly proportional to the product of the charge and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them.
Thank you, Alia. So great. Electric change concept and Coulomb laws vary. Electric change comes to in two positive and negative. Like change repel. Well, actual change attract. This force on traction and call using